Well, good Wednesday morning, everybody. So last night my intention was to set up and do an initial review on the Everlast 206 SI welder that I bought. But of course the Borkster came barging in and thought he could do a better job. Alright, so let me give you a fair warning. If you don't have your sense of humor today, you're not going to like this video, so you may as well give me the thumbs down, call Rick an asshole, and get the hell out of here. You don't know what you're doing, do you? If you guys are new to the channel and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, ring my bell, get my notifications, throw me a thumbs up, and leave a question or comment below so that way I know who you are. Be Wednesday when you see this, so happy Wednesday to you. But it's Tuesday. Yeah, I know it's Tuesday, but they're not going to see this till Wednesday. No, really, it's Tuesday. If you're just coming into this channel, jump over and check out our live stream tonight, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Central Time. Bring a cold beverage, bring company, tell your friends, tell your family. We're going to hang out for a couple hours, have a good time, and probably get a little sauce. He gets drunk as hell. So, tonight, we're going to get this Everlast Super Ultra 206 SI set up on the welding cart. Kind of go through everything. You think you can do a better job? With a horn like that, you can ride a unicycle with no seat on a rumble strip and never fall off. You show me how to do this. We'll let everybody else decide. It's so dumb. So dumb. So that way I can be cool, you know? Cool. Gotta sell it. That's how we get sponsorships. Right here. IGBT. They cut out some of the GLBT. So now it's an IGBT. Huh. I thought there was 58 of them now. So we're gonna do a review on it and beer. So it says button. Those buttons and knobbies. No beer. Says Trent. It says pedals. We're gonna pedal it. I'm gonna pedal it. How's the gauge? Come here. Come here. I'm gonna see it. Hang on. Come here. Oh, hang on. Focus! Focus, you fuck! Oh no. It says inlet on the back. Oh no. He says I have to review the other stuff. These are for when they tell you they don't want to go home with you. That's a screw. I don't know what it's for. I think it's for stealing gas. I think it's for a different website than this. I don't know why that's in there. I don't know what kind of things been up to, but that is just wrong. And you're probably putting electricity on it too. Freaks. You guys are freaks. LGBT. Everyone gets to be included. So that has your it does on the end there weird. I don't feel like opening the bag. Rick, I think you need another beer. Go play. We have a box. I don't know if we can open it. Argon Flowmeter. For something. Oh, there's some pink vibrator ends in there. And then some more siphon hose. So that's the review of the Everlast IGBT 206 SI box review. We're gonna hook it up and then we'll come back and show you how it works. Till then, if you haven't seen my other videos, piss off. I gotta go to bed.